Bro, this car is so clean. What's up, Drive Fam? Your boy just put up to my dog Ryan car show, so we about to walk around, see what they got out here, and then we do got some surprises that came in today, man. I'm gonna wait to, well, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all because the YouTube family, you know, kind of different, you know, but we do got some works for the 300, and yeah, let's just say that we about to do something that's never been done before to a 300. So we're gonna get out here and walk around for a little bit, and let's see what they got out here. I actually just seen something that really caught my eye, so yeah, I'm just getting to the video, show y'all this real quick, because this right here is like low-key in the works of what I'm trying to do. But as you can see, bro, it's a nice little turnaround out here. You know, I just got off of work, so nigga got the boots on. I came straight from work out here, so you know, I ain't really tripping. All right, so first thing first, man, this right here, look, bro, this hood go crazy, and you can't tell me, like, on a Chrysler, say if I grab some, like, I want to go Hellcat hood, but off rip, like the Viper hood go OD. I like this right here different. I need to find out, like, where he got this from, because that's cold. All right, this right here for all the little pony boys out there. Yo, this is what I mean, like, when you got to get in your hood. You can't be wasting no money on no other bull crap. You got to get in your hood. I mean, off rip, just look at the split. I don't know if it's Pro Charger, 302 Boss, Mustang. You know this shit go crazy. And it's on the tire, all black, old school. Once I start recording, I get to just talking. You know, I be talking about all the wrong shit. But I think it's like 2015, 2014. Correct me if I'm wrong. 2012. You know, mid-year Mustang. Most definitely can't go wrong, boy. You got the headers, Pro Charger. You know that thing nasty. All right, then we got the Honda Easy. You know, you gotta show love to the Honda boys. You know, they out here. I think it's a couple of them out here too. He got some nice little wheels. So, you know, shout out to the Honda boys. And then we see this thing everywhere, but I ain't really get up close on it before. You know, you check out the ram, you got the brake caliper covers, carbon fiber on the front. Man, you got the children in the front. Man, you got the ambient lighting in there. That's what we need, some ambient lighting. But shit, I'm talking about stand up. And you got the bags in the back too. That's crazy. Like, I see this shit everywhere, bro. This shit clean as fuck. Always gonna feel love in that car. Tails in there too.
Oh God, oh, this is still.
Yeah, he doing it, big one. Got the M5 with it. Chad, I'm telling you, S63 motor. This and then interior is 10 spec, clean, red seats. Can't go wrong with the red guts, bro. I'm telling you. Y'all look. Y'all know we having our issues with our BMW, bro. We gotta get it right, cause I mean, just dialing out that fuel issue, bro. We gotta get that fuel issue right. But for the most part, S63, bro, you cannot go wrong with an S63. And that, like I said, bro, it's a lot of cars out of here, so we gotta make our ways around. But look at this right here, bro. All right, so look, this Tesla OD with the Lambo doors. Come on now, you got the carbon in there. You pull up with the Tesla. You pull up with the Tesla with the Lambo doors, bro. You big flexing. Like, you know what I'm saying? You getting out, your doors going up. You can't go wrong with that. I'm saying though, people, chat. People, that's crazy. All right, next whip. We got like the LB whip, TRD. You don't really see no TRDs. I'm telling you right now for sure. Then they got the Lambo doors on it too. Everybody out here with the Lambo doors, bro. And you got the custom steering wheel. See, this is what we gotta get to. We gotta get to the point where we got custom interior. We need a steering wheel and we need to get some carbon fiber in our car. All right, now we got our M3 lowered. Everything out here is pretty much slammed to the ground, bro. We trying to get to that point. And I most definitely need to get into some carbon fiber mirror caps too. trying to get all the cars in here before everybody leaves, because I do want to get some fuel out for y'all. But you got another little Honda. Stands out Honda. Then we got the, I don't even know what this is. So all my JDM people, y'all let me know. But look at this shit right here, boy. I'm talking about full blown, like gutted out interior. You know this thing lightweight. I think it's like a drift build. He got the nice camber. Then he got the tank in the back. Oh, he just aired out on him. Alright, and then look, bro. Back of these taillights go crazy. Look at the taillights on that thing, man. And you got a dump out exhaust. And we got the green Lexus. Lord stands out. And then they got the M boys out here, but I'm gonna go over there in a second. But look at this freaking Camaro. Carbon fiber hood. That shit nasty. Now we got the M4. That's OD. You got the M3. I'm talking about M4. It's M3. Dope store. I think it's probably on springs. I don't think it's on coilovers. And this M4 go crazy. We got the CS hood. What is this? Yeah, nah, this it's an M3 too. M3 competition. Yeah, look at the tint on the front. I like this color. That color go crazy. You can't tell me this color don't go crazy. That's crazy, isn't it? Little thumbnail action. But look, we got a track hawk. Straight track hawk Jeep. Yellow brake cowls with the badge. You can't beat a supercharged Jeep. Y'all stay tuned. A wide body in action too. Lady driven with the pink cows. That shit go crazy. Hey, that boy went crazy, right? Hey, that's what's up, bro. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you leave a car beat. And we got a Super 2 carbon fiber mirrors. I'm telling you, bro, you gotta go carbon fiber on the mirrors. Can't go wrong with that. Now, I don't know, bro. I don't know if it's a speed spec or what, or what's done under the engine, but he might be pushing a little power. All right, so we're gonna walk in the back side of the lot. We're gonna see what's on the back side real quick. Like I said, bro, there's a lot of people out here from my understanding. You know, I got off a little later, so I don't know who all was here before that, but it look good. We got a little nice turnaround. And you got the C8. And you got the carbon seat. That's clean. I like how the C8s look, man. People be knocking them, but they be looking clean. Hey, yo. Now this right here is different. You got the gold, the wing on there. All right, we make our way over here. We got another 392 spec. Damn, boy, I gotta give me some big brakes, bro. It's about that time. I need something that's gonna make the car stop a little bit. You can tell he be out here sliding this thing too. Look at the back. You know they about to go crazy on their lead. Damn, we got over here. We got a little BMW. It's an old school M3. Old school M3 with it. That shit fun. And you got the carbon hood. I like this hood, bro. That hood go crazy. And we got the 5.0. You know how the 5-0 boys get down. So that's pretty much everything that's out here right now. I don't know if people gonna show up a little later or not, but I'm gonna see if I can get some extras of everybody leaving parking lot. Cause like I said, there is a bunch of stuff out here. So I'm gonna catch y'all later in a little bit, and we gonna see what we got as far as who leaving this mug. You know they finna go crazy. Usually they be popping them things up in the air. Doing they big ones. We gonna see. We gonna see what we get. They gonna say what's up to my dog real quick though. Y'all know you got the this the main John right here. Bro, this car is so clean, and that's why I say like having the luxury to be able to work on your own car, you can just do so much. Like the ability to just do whatever you want, free will with your own car is what's crazy. That's what I'm trying to get to. But don't worry, I told y'all we got something in store. We gotta get some pics too. We gotta collab. That boy Ryan. They got the booth out here too. They got the air tank. So y'all need some air suspension, bro. Y'all know where to go. Get your ass out here, boy. That bitch. He held that bitch. I give it that. He held that. And he got a little crazy tune. I need to go crazy tune on my whip. I don't know. You gotta see. It's out here with the boots on, bro. I'm talking about boots on the ground. I grabbed everything but forgot my shoes. You know he about to bust that Yui. I'm telling you, you can't go wrong. Black on gold. And you got the Boston wheels. And you got a front splitter too. Oh, bro, the new Supras, bro, when they built right, they look really, really good. But they gotta be built right. And this one, most definitely is built right. I do YouTube content.
That's cool. I was gonna.
Hey, he'll smooth with it. He'll smooth with it. most definitely gotta get a truck. That's on the bucket list too. We need a TRX, maybe a lifted, but we need something to pull all the toys. What are you doing here? You don't belong here. Alright, man, so look, that's pretty much everything that's out here, man. Stand Shop, Carolina Stand Shop. Y'all had a nice little turnaround. Sorry I came late, but look, we do got a surprise for y'all, so we about to go back to the crib, show y'all what we got.